Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hopefully you can hear me all right. I got a big old fan blowing on me. Might be a little bit out of breath because I literally just got done mowing the yard and mail lady dropped this off, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to get a quick video for you, so I wanted to get an unboxing of this, hopefully before anybody else gets one up, because that's always fun. And then I'll do a full review later on. So this is the Pagani Oyster Perpetual that just came out. Come on. Alright. First off, you got a free NATO strap, bunch of packaging, and here's the new boxes that they come in. If you want this big box, I guess only reason I would go with this one is if you're like giving it as a gift or something. Really trying not to rip it, but screw it. I'm so hot and so sweaty that I really don't care. Whew. Alright, so here we go. And there it is. As you can see, I went with the silver dial. It almost looks like a champagne-ish color in this lighting here. But I mean, it's looking pretty good. It's measured at 38 millimeters. It does look a little bit smaller. Get all these stickers off real quick. Oh my goodness. Sorry about my out of breathness here. I'm seriously just dying. I'm just dripping sweat here. But doing this for you guys because I know they got this thing coming on sale. It's going to be like 85 bucks, I think, is what I saw. So I'm going to pause it real quick and get all this plastic off. Alright. Got all the plastic off of it. Get all the stuff off to the side. So, here it is. Looking pretty good. Got some polished sides here. Nicely done. I think I got all the plastic off except for that case back. Yeah, the bracelet looks like the typical Pagani bracelet. It does taper. And then you got the older Pagani style clasp. So, good or bad. Let's see if there's a... Oh man, that is tough. That is tight right there. Let's see, does it have the quick link? It does have a quick link, but again, it's so tight. Oh my gosh, look at that. Cut myself on the little fold-over clasp here. My goodness. It does have the easy link, but man, it is real tight right now. Hopefully that'll loosen up. But let's get the dimensions, because I know that's a big thing with the Paganis. So they list this as 38 millimeters, so let's see how accurate they are. Yeah, 39.7. Why can't they get their dimensions right? I just don't get it. It's definitely maybe 39, but it's 39.6. That's what I'm coming up with. Let's see, 38.7 on the bezel. Oh, man, my thumb really hurts. 11.4 thick. And let's do the overall lug to lug. 49, really? 49 millimeters. And 52 with the end links. So let's just measure this one more time. Yeah, 49. 11.3, 39 and a half-ish, so definitely not 38. Pagani, you need to get your shit together, because this is getting really frustrating with your dimensions. They never turn out to be what you mentioned. So let's see here. Do we have a screw-down crown? There is a screw-down crown, so that's nice to see. It does feel like a NH35. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's an NH35. Nice action on the crown, as usual, but again, disappointed with the sizing. I do kind of like the silver color, though, so. Full review will come in probably next week sometime. But that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Again, I'll leave a link down in the description for this. It is going to be on sale for like 85 bucks during the the next sale, which starts on the 28th, or 23rd, sorry, 23rd. So make sure to check that out. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'm going to go treat this little cut here, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya.